despite these potential signs of recession, that the Fed's still committed to tightening rates to curb inflation, lowering that money supply. And that's effectively negatively impacting all risk on assets, including crypto. So I think until we see a Fed pivot, the markets are, especially in the crypto markets, are likely going to remain choppy.
Bitcoin is in the market for big volatility, but for how much longer? Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Make sure that you are liked, subscribed, and notified from when we drop our latest content. Now, let's dive into today's headlines. Talk about a choppy crypto market, but it appears that one technical indicator is flashing for investors to make some big moves. But what kind of big moves can one make in a bear market? Listen up. Bollinger Bandwidth, which is used to measure volatility trends, have been on a huge decline since October 2020, which is no surprise with how volatile the crypto market has been. However, some investors have been saying that Bitcoin is due for a big move in either direction. That's helpful, right? But at the end of the day, based on Bollinger Bandwidth, this group of investors seem to be banking on Bitcoin's volatility maybe finding its bottom, which is coming through in more expensive BTC option trading. And it's capitalizing on traders looking to hedge against rapid price movements. Now in this chart, the gap between implied and historical volatility has been getting wider since July, which is calling on analysts to sell volatility or options as opposed to betting on a bigger explosion of more volatility. And speaking of volatility, Solana is back in the line of fire after another massive hack. $100 million in assets, you heard that right, were stolen from Solana's lending platform, Mango Markets. Now that's no small chunk of change. Now blockchain auditing website Otter SEC says that a hacker was able to manipulate the DeFi protocol's collateral to take over a large amount of loans from the Mango Markets treasury. Now what's even crazier is that the hacker's first move was allegedly just stealing $5 million in USDC and opening a long position on the deposit to swell the platform's Mango token price by 1,000 times in less than an hour. And that was before Mango and Solana's sold tokens fell to new monthly lows. Now the token manipulation, coupled with modifying collateral on Mango Markets, led to the hacker allegedly getting away with borrowing and stealing over $114 million worth of cryptocurrencies. There's no word yet on identifying the hacker, but Mango Markets has offered the hacker the chance to collect a bug bounty in exchange for the stolen funds. Now, let's see if they bite. The censorship battle on Ethereum's beacon chain continues. Tornado Cash sanctions have put another wedge in decentralization for proof-of-stake validators. Now, since validators do have the power to rearrange transactions on the Ethereum blockchain, there's new software available to keep that kind of power in check. Except when I say keep in check, in this case, it can also mean censoring transactions. Now, the Flashbots platform is one example. Since August, the network has been fully complying with Tornado Cash sanctions. So even if validators are using this software out of due diligence, they are either knowingly or unknowingly censoring Tornado Cash transactions. Now, this could be the beginning of a very slippery slope for the health of decentralization. Do you feel that Ethereum's autonomy is at risk? Let me know in the comments. Meta is trying really hard to get companies to work in virtual settings. For starters, Meta has partnered with Microsoft to integrate virtual reality into Microsoft Office 365 products. And Meta is also upping the ante by making its Quest and Quest Pro headsets compatible with some of Microsoft's mobile devices and softwares, so companies can use the VR headsets on their corporate internet networks. And we'll be seeing a bigger and better version of Meta's VR headsets that will reportedly be more comfortable, have higher resolution, and just perform better than the original. Now, is Meta's virtual reality worth the hype though? Let me know below. OpenSea is making sure that it's the king of NFT marketplaces by adding new blockchain support. Now OpenSea has finally let Avalanche come aboard, which could catapult Avalanche into getting a solid foothold in the NFT market. Users will be able to buy, sell, and trade top NFT collections like Small Joes and Small Lands, as well as have a total of 7 blockchains and their NFTs to pick from, like Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, and obviously Ethereum. That's it for Altcoin Buzz news updates. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want more insights for your crypto investing, then go ahead and smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons so you can get all our latest content. And before you go, here are some more updates and deep dives on our channel. As always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.